Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. Thank you so much for clicking and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to make a really quick video. I wanted to unbox something else that I got from Louis Vuitton. Yesterday I filmed a video for you guys which was about the soft trunk briefcase, and that particular video I wasn't sure whether or not I wanted to keep it. It is an extremely beautiful item, and I wanted your guys' opinion because I just wasn't quite sure. It didn't really fit in with my wardrobe, and I tried on a couple of outfits in the video, and then after that I tried on a few more outfits as well, and I just don't think it really fits. Yeah, if you guys haven't seen that video, definitely I will link it down below and hop over there and have a watch. It is a beautiful bag. There is no doubt about that. The only reason why I'm just not sure whether I should keep it is because I just don't think it fits with my style, and I don't think it really fits with the existing clothes that I have. That being said, I am always talking on about you know, like expanding your horizons and pushing those boundaries, because we're all growing and developing, so it's worth picking up pieces that you wouldn't normally wear so that your style can grow with you. So that's enough about that. For today's video, it's a little bit different. It's another Louis Vuitton unboxing, and it's from the brand new Escale collection, which released about 2 weeks ago. I'm so excited because this piece I've been waiting for quite a while. Initially I had it in the size 36, but it just didn't quite fit. So I wanted to go for a size 40, but 40 didn't come into Australia. My SA managed to get a 38, and I said, you know what, screw it, 38, it fits, it's alright, it's not too bad, and I have absolutely no regrets. This item is so beautiful and I wanted to share it with you guys. I'm going to try it on with a few different outfits. I just think it's really versatile, and the pricing is actually not that bad. Obviously, being a luxury item from Louis Vuitton, it's going to be expensive, but in the grand scheme of things, relative, like compared to everything else, it's actually not that bad. So in this bag, I will grab it out. The first thing is the receipt, which I will tell you guys the price after I've unboxed it. So it's in this beautiful box here, and I am going to just get this ribbon off. So the piece that I got is, oh, I'm so excited about this. Can you guys see this? Oh my gosh. Ta-da! Wow, this is so stunning. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna put this down. Look at this. Oh, okay, so this is the Escale, I think it's called the Tunic blouse. So it's really long. It's meant to be worn as a blouse, so it's a top, but on a woman you can pass it off as a dress. So if you get a size big enough, it's so long that you can pass it off as a dress. So the whole idea behind the Escale collection is that it's all beachwear. If you guys haven't seen the Escale collection yet, go onto the Louis Vuitton website. It is absolutely stunning. It's all this, you know, beach. You've got board shorts, jackets, and t-shirts, all very, you know, centered around the beach, around the ocean. It's all really beautiful. For Australia, it's a bit odd for me to be purchasing a beachwear piece, because at the moment we are now going into winter. We're coming out of summer and going into winter, so it doesn't really make sense. But unfortunately, living in the Southern Hemisphere, that's kind of what we've always had to deal with. Summer releases in winter and winter releases in summer. It's all a whole thing. But that's completely fine, because this particular piece, one of the reasons why I wanted to buy this is because it's just really versatile. So you can see in the sunlight it is really sheer. It's very thin. But the quality is actually incredible. It is a really, really loose fit and it comes out like that. What you can actually tell straight away is that you kind of wear it on top. So my plan is to wear it on top of a t-shirt or maybe on top of a singlet or something like that. It's so versatile that you can throw it on and just have it kind of loose and hanging, unbuttoned, or you can do it up and you can do up all the buttons and look very chic and very put together. So it comes out like that, right? So it's really wide, both sides. The actual cut, I should say, or where the underarm like goes in, is actually just down the middle here. So that's where your waist would be. So it comes out like that. So you've got that much space. So it looks really flowy, kind of looks like a cape. When I saw it on the model, I was so enthralled. It's just so beautiful. But yeah, it's really, really nice. It's in, it's got the white monogram in a blue color. It has white button details here as well with Louis Vuitton mother of pearl buttons, and it's got a little tail at the bottom as well. So it's just all about the little details, and that's the thing about luxury for me, at least. You know, sometimes it's all about being really garish and being in your face and be like, hey, I've got this designer item, and you know, pushing it. But sometimes it's about being very understated, and it's all about attention to detail, and I really think Louis Vuitton has hit the nail on the head with that. Their attention to detail is immaculate. It always has been. I mean, I have had pieces where it's not so great, but that's a story for another time. But yeah, this piece I'm incredibly, incredibly happy with. I tried on the 36 and I loved it, so I got it in the 38. So don't need to try it on, I already know I love it. And something else that I got on top of this, which is something that my SA sent over to me, is this book. So this is actually a quarterly magazine that Louis Vuitton releases, and it's really nice. They're only at issue number 11, so they're not really that far ahead because it's quite fresh. And it's just a magazine that talks about all of their beautiful bags. Oh, the Capucines is so beautiful. You know, the soft trunks, the Neo Noe. Now, if you've watched one of my vlogs before, I do actually, I did receive this in the mail, and so I already have this, and my SA didn't know that I already have this, so he sent it over with, he included it with the package in this blouse. So I was thinking, I don't really need 2 copies, so I thought it would be a really nice idea to just do another really small giveaway for you guys. I think it will be really beautiful because it means that you guys can have a read. Actually, some of the articles on here is really, really interesting. It talks about the artistry and the Maison's approach behind the clothes, and you kind of get a sense of the art behind it. So it's not just, oh, this is silk or this is cotton and that silhouette, but it really goes into detail about why that silhouette's important, what does it stand for, and things like that. So I think it's a really interesting magazine. You know, maybe only a handful of you will be interested. That's completely fine, in which case you'll have a higher chance to win. But yeah, I'm gonna give this away. I'll post it out to you guys. So all you have to do, very standard, just be subscribed to my channel, like this video, leave a comment below letting me know that you actually want to enter into the giveaway. Let me know. And also, if you can hop over to Instagram and give me a follow there as well, that would be absolutely fantastic. And if you don't have Instagram, then just follow me on Facebook. I also do have Facebook, and all my media links are below. All right, so I wanted to make this video very quick because I have filmed a video yesterday, so I'm pretty tired, but I'm really excited to try this on. So I will get a couple of outfits together, put this on, and I'll show you guys, and then you guys can let me know what you think. I think it's beautiful. I'm gonna keep it, but I'm still really interested in knowing what you guys think because I always want to be really engaging with you guys. Give me 1 second and I will be right back. Hi guys, so here is the top, and you can see I haven't really done anything with it. I've just done it up, and I think it does look really nice. You guys might disagree. You know, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but I think that this is so beautiful. And I love how sheer it is because it just means you can wear it all season, all year round. You can wear it to the beach, you can wear it casually to lunch, you can dress it up and even wear it, you know, out to something a little bit more formal, like a cocktail event or something. I think that it does look really good. So for the first outfit, I've paired it with the most obvious and easiest thing, which is just a pair of shorts, because I think that, you know, everyone should kind of have a look to see what it looks like, with nothing fancy, nothing done up, and just this is what it is. So you can see that the waist comes down here, and you've got the sleeves coming out here, and it just looks like a cape or a poncho, and I think it does look so, so nice. So it is really, really wide, so it's not like a really, what's the word, like a flattering kind of silhouette, which is completely fine because it's designed to be a summery, flowy, kind of like a maxi dress where it's like, you know, it doesn't really have any shape and it just kind of falls and flows, and I think that's really, really nice. This is just really, really simple, and I think it looks absolutely stunning. And just wanted to show you guys, so the little flap here actually has buttons of its own, sorry, not buttons, but like buttonholes of its own, and so you can either do it up, or you can just have the shirt done up and just have the kind of the tie or the flap just hanging loose. So you've got the hole for the actual shirt, and then you've also got a separate hole for the... So you guys can see that there is a buttonhole there on the strap. So you can just do that up, and you have so many options. So you can do it all the way up to the bottom down here, so you can see that there is a button here. So you can do it all the way up and have it closed, or you can have a little bit of a flow here and kind of let it flap around when the wind blows. But yeah, so this is the first thing. So it doesn't look like much now because I haven't really done anything, but it's so simple to actually make it look so stylish and so good. So give me 1 second and I will change into something else, and one of the really nice ways that I like to wear it. And voila! So here we have this completely different look. To me, I find this really slimming. I'm kind of looking at it, and on camera it doesn't. It makes me look really wide, but actually in person, it, like in the mirror, I'm looking at myself and it is actually, it does look really, really slimming, and it does it's a very flattering silhouette. You know, it kind of emphasizes an hourglass figure, and I personally really like that. But you can see now that this kind of looks so different. And I haven't even done much. All I've done is put a waist belt on, and I've unbuttoned one extra button and just kind of left it really open like that. And you can see that it just, I think it just looks so, so good. And the top's really beautiful. So you can see that when you do it up, it kind of bunches here. So if you pull that up and give your arms a little bit more movement, then what happens is this bunches up and it pulls that up. And because you haven't done up the buttons all the way to the bottom, then the strap can just sit freely, and you've got this kind of space here, and it just kind of looks like this. What's the, you know how like on trench coats when you wear a belt and you do up the belt and then the strap just kind of falls down? That kind of emulates the look, or this kind of emulates that trench coat look. So yeah, this is, I think, so, so stunning, and I think it's just really beautiful. Yeah, so I forgot to mention the price. So this is a whopping $1,920 top. And yes, it is extremely, extremely expensive. But like I said, in comparison, relative to so many Louis Vuitton products, this is actually not that expensive. And I really think that given it's very versatile, I think that it's really well worth the money. This is how I would wear it in the summer. You know, I don't have anything underneath right now, and I have just shorts on. This is how I would wear it in the summer. And let me show you how I would wear it in the winter, because like I said before, you can just throw this on top of something and it kind of acts like an overcoat, and I think it's just really, really stunning. So bear with me for 1 second and I will come right back with my winter look. And this is kind of how I would wear it in the winter. Some of you might look at this and be like, that's not winter. But guys, please remember I'm in Australia, so it's really warm all year round, and the coldest it really gets is like maybe like 15 degrees Celsius in winter. Sometimes 10, but that's like in the middle of the night at 3 a.m. But anyways, so obviously I wouldn't really, even in 15-degree weather, I wouldn't wear just this, but this is kind of like the base, and it's just a simple shirt that I got from Zara with a little scarf top, so it kind of like has a really big open neck, comes down, and I've decided to go with my white Louis Vuitton belt to kind of match the white monogram. And you just throw this on and you just look really casual, and at the same time you look kind of very put together, but at the same time just kind of like, you know, like summery, breezy, I don't have a care in the world, you know. And that's kind of sometimes I think a really good mindset to have, because you don't really want to I read a really good quote and it really stuck with me, and it was a cartoon of a man being handed sticks by other people, and the quote was, "Don't build a prison for yourself using other people's opinions." So it really stuck with me, and the reason that I'm kind of thinking about that now is because, you know, I was talking about having an easy breezy mindset and dressing that way as well. So yeah, this is kind of like, oh yeah, I don't really have a worry. And yeah, so let me throw on a scarf and let me pull this all together. But I wanted to show you this without a scarf, without all the bits and bobs, and just show you kind of like the base foundation of what I'm working with. And I think it is really nice. So give me 1 second, I'll swoosh and put on my scarf. So here is the outfit with the scarf. And you can see now why I showed you guys without the scarf and unbuttoned, you know, the underneath of it, which was, you know, this black shirt, because you can't see any of that. And that's really the reality of winter, right? Like you guys will be wearing overcoats, you guys will be wearing scarves, so you can't really see what's underneath. So I wanted to show you guys what's underneath first, and then show you kind of the outerwear look. But now you can see that this really resembles like a nice coat, and I think it just really looks good. You can see you kind of like put a scarf on there and you look really nice and comfortable, and I just think it does look really, really good. But as I was saying before, it's really kind of winter. That's really the reality, right? You go outside and you're looking like this, you know, with a handbag and whatnot. Maybe I could wear this one, you know. You're walking out with just a handbag, and then when you're going in for lunch, you know, whatever you're doing, meeting up with friends or something, and you just go and, you know, when you sit down, you're going to take this scarf off, then you're going to unbutton your shirt, like unbutton your coat, you know. Yeah, so that's why I wanted to show you guys like what this shirt looks like unbuttoned, and kind of draped without the scarf, without the outside, because if you're indoors, even in winter, it'll be heated, it'll be warm, so this is kind of what you'll be looking like. And then when you're outdoors, it'll, you know, you'll do it up like a coat, and yeah, like you'll do it up like a coat, you put your scarf on, and that's what you'll look like. But in keeping with this video being nice, short and sweet, that is all. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know your thoughts. If you don't agree with my outfits, if you don't agree with my choices, or if you think that this is absolutely hideous, do tell me. I would really love to know. I think that it would be a good thing to kind of communicate with you guys regularly. So do let me know in the comments below. And yeah, like I think this is absolutely so fabulous. But you guys might not think so, and I would really like to know. So leave a comment below. Don't forget, hit subscribe, like me on Instagram, and, sorry, hit subscribe, like this video, follow me on Instagram or Facebook, and leave a comment to let me know that you want to be in the running for this magazine, because I have 2 copies, and I just thought that it would be nice to kind of send one to somebody. The magazine would just be a really nice addition to your coffee table, or even just add a little bit of luxury to your reading and bring a smile to you guys or something. And I really love being able to do that for you guys. So yes, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!